Tired of the same old Chrome look? Let's ditch the defaults and dive into creating your own real Chrome theme. First, head over to your Chrome settings. You can find this by clicking on the three dots menu, usually in the top right corner of your browser, and then selecting Settings. Next, type Chrome flags into your address bar. This area contains experimental features in the search bar. Type in User Themes. Find allows user to import themes into Chrome and enable it by selecting Enabled from the drop-down list. You will need to restart your Chrome to apply the changes. Now, let's get to the fun part. You'll need to create a CSS file. Open a plain text editor like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. You'll be using a cascading style sheet CSS. This file will tell Chrome how to style its appearance within this file. You should specify your basic browser styling elements like background color, text color, and button stylings. Save the file with a descriptive name like my_Chrome_themex. This can be saved to your desktop or in the themes folder within your Chrome profile directory. Go back to your Chrome settings. Under the appearance section, there should be an option to load your new theme using local file. Click this button and find your mychrome_themex file. And there you have it. Your custom Chrome theme is now live. You can tweak the CSS file and reload the theme as many times as you want until it meets your exact desire. This is the first step in your Chrome theme customization journey. Now, go forth and design a browser experience that's uniquely you. Don't forget to subscribe for more customization tips and leave a comment sharing your creative theme ideas.